Cue the drum roll for history's most grandiose gaffes, the stumbles that left a mark. Picture Napoleon Bonaparte, the French military genius. Did you know he was attacked by a horde of bunnies during a hunting trip? Yes, bunnies. Switch to the American continent, where the Great Emu War of 1932 unfolded. That's right, Australia declared war on emus, and the birds won. Now imagine a ship so grand, so majestic, it was dubbed unsinkable. Yes, the Titanic, that hit an iceberg on its maiden voyage. Lastly, let's not forget the time when Pepsi became the sixth largest military power in the world, briefly, all thanks to a deal gone wrong with Russia. So remember, even history has its bloopers. Stay tuned for more fails of history.